Guys, this is the most original and silly phone phone review you'll ever see. I'm shooting this off the phone I am basing this on, and that phone, my friend, is the Samsung Galaxy S20. What do I say about this? The good news is I can actually reverse the camera while I'm driving. The iPhone, I don't have to cut that out and then do that. That's amazing. I just discovered it right now on this video with you. That's India, by the way. Yes, this shit is real. Nice, you like it? Please come, please come. Anyways, guys, I like a lot of things about this phone. I really dislike a lot of things about this phone. And if you're looking for a short review, then that's not gonna happen. You'll have to listen to all of my rantings, my rules. What's wrong with this S20? It heats up a lot. Without the case, it's not even usable because it heats up so much. And I'm using the Samsung case with it. I think it comes with it. What else don't I like about it? I don't think the camera is all that. I mean, I'm coming to this phone from a Pixel 3a XL and I have an iPhone 11 Pro Max. The camera is not all that. And that's just the fact, and it'll remain the fact, like even right now I'm looking at my image, it's so grainy and the sharpness is so poor. Like my last Samsung was the S9 Plus, and I don't think they've come a long way. I don't think they've done all that. I don't think they're doing justice. I don't think Samsung is really trying to push the buck. I think they're trying to fit in too many things and not concentrating on the basics. Another thing I don't like about this phone, when I'm on the phone and I'm speaking on the phone, I can barely hear the other person. It sounds fake. It's like a fake version of itself. The voice sounds very choppy and very thin and mediocre. They haven't improved on that since the S9 Plus. But I improved. I took new phones. I got a Pixel. I got an iPhone 11 Pro Max. I like seeing the whole thing. What else do I want to say? The battery life is okay. It charges really fast. I appreciate that a lot. It charges in 1 hour. So if you're at like 10% and you charge it for 1 hour, you'll be at 100% happy. It's very fast to charge. If you plug in the headphones, which it comes with, the audio is just unbelievably good. I like the speakerphone. It's fun. It's very Samsung. Samsung has this way of making speakerphones which is very original, and I'm just 3 days into this, so it's my first review of the phone. I'll have a final review also after a month or something. I like the design. The screen is, I think, a 6.2 inch, and it feels smaller. It really does feel smaller. I don't know why. Maybe it's a 5.8 inch and I'm like lost. No, but I think it's a 6.2 inch and it just doesn't feel that big, and I'm okay with that. I can live with that. In fact, I wanted to go for the smallest S20 they have, because I'm tired of big phones, man. I think having one 11 Pro Max is enough. I can't have two big ass phones. Not my style. Samsung, setting up your phone on Samsung, you just feel like, oh my god, we're back to that world already. Like Pixel, Google software is so much better so far, I feel. It's so much easier, better looking, lag free than Samsung. Samsung is just a little irritating, you understand? Like they need to really, like if you're a Samsung fan, there are people who like the skin a lot of Samsung, you're gonna love it. But this is my 5th Samsung in a long time and I'm still not used to it, man. I still find it a bit outdated, a bit clunky and irritating, and the skin is just, it's average. The zoom out feature is I really appreciate it. Look at this. Maybe I can do it on camera and I can show it to you. You understand? You see what's happening there? I can literally adjust it, go and go out, go and go out. It's pretty good, man. And I also have a 12x zoom option. I just discovered this on the review. I think that's pretty good. I don't know when you will need it, but it's fancy. If you're into making videos for a living, this could actually help you out. I haven't really tested how these videos come out when I upload them onto YouTube or a screen, but I'm imagining the speaker volume will be really good because I used to shoot all my videos on the S9 Plus until I got into the habit of, until I got an iPhone 11 Pro Max, and then everything was on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So we'll have to wait and see whether or not I'm going to be using this or that. I will shoot a few videos using this, but then I don't have any reviews coming up in recent times. I don't like this ghosting of the image. You have to keep cleaning the lens of the Samsung S20. I think that's very irritating. Besides all that, I mean, overall, I am not very impressed with this. It's okay. I will have you know that I didn't buy a new one. I got a used one because I was like, why should I spend 70,000 on a phone? And I'm glad I did not. Otherwise, I'll have some serious buyer's remorse. I'm telling you right now. I paid like 45 grand on it, and yeah, I don't know if I would recommend it over the Pixel 3a XL right now. But guys, let me tell you something. When I went from the S9 Plus to the Pixel 3a XL, for the first 10-15 days, I was like, dude, what have I gotten myself into? Why have I downgraded? And after that, I just couldn't go back. It's like learning a new language. Imagine if you learn a new language. Let's say you learn Arabic, right? For the first 10-15 days, you're going to be like, this is a stupid language, man. How the hell do you speak this shit? You know, but eventually you get used to it, right? And you think, oh my God, you realize the good things about it, you know? So maybe that's the case with Samsung. I don't know if this phone is going to come around. The battery life is okay. I don't mind it. I don't mind recharging it. It's my secondary phone anyway, so I don't care. Calling is okay. Let's see where we get from here. Let's see where we go from here. You know, people staring at me thinking I'm, you know, anyways, I don't care what they think. I care what you think though. So what do you think about this review? Is it alright? Is it rocking? I have the blue colored S20, just so you guys know. And I'm kind of enjoying it. I'm enjoying coming back to Samsung. Is the speaker as loud as the iPhone 11 Pro Max? Nah. Is the display better than the iPhone 11 Pro Max? No. Is the battery better than the iPhone 11 Pro Max? No. Oh my God. This guy's in a hurry. Let him go, man. Let him go. He's a cab. Oh. So yeah, man. That was my review, my first take of the S20. Oh, that guy looked funny. Alright guys, I'll see you when I do. Cheers, eh?